Anyone? Hello?
Jack! Jack! Is that you? Are you okay?
Asa, I'm okay. I'm fine. What happened? What went wrong?
Jack, I was wrong. We messed up. Our calculations didn't go as planned. I shouldn't have convinced you to go in there. I should have gone with you. We didn't know what to expect, but thank God you're alright.
It's so good to hear your voice. I'm surprised you got back so quickly. According to my camera, it's only been an hour since I got stuck in here.
An hour? The boiler room's more loose than we thought. You aren't dead, but you quite aren't home free either.
What do you mean?
Well, I poked my head through the doors and I can hear you, but can't see you. Judging by the technicians going in and out, they didn't either. I don't know how to explain it.
What technicians? So I'm here, but not in here? Am I in some kind of purgatory?
I hope not. And there's no way to get your camera. What are you even seeing there?
It's hard to explain. I think I had a vision of the past. Back to the 60s, when everything was actually polished and clean at this godforsaken school. I didn't even know the boiler room's been here that long.
Our predictions were so off. I'm afraid to ask, but any sign of Jamie?
No, although I may have found where he went. There was some kind of portal, but another path opened up for me, and that's when I had the vision.
That must be how you got into this hell. All right, I know how to break you out, but it's gonna take some time. Luckily, it shouldn't be that long for you. Jack, I've gotta go. No time to explain.
No, wait, what do you mean by shouldn't be that long for me? How are we gonna keep in contact? Hello? Asa? How long have I really been in here? I might as well take a nap. I haven't slept in days. No point staying conscious now.
Emergency broadcast. Devastating damage expected. A most powerful anomalous storm with unprecedented strength will be touching down in northwest Florida and southern Alabama. Most of the area will be uninhabitable for months, perhaps longer. Nearly all well-constructed homes will have roof and wall failure. Be aware of household machinery on the ground and roads, as they can cause electrical burns or physical damage. Machinery may include washers, plumbing, ovens, and please, by any means possible, evacuate the following counties: Escambia County, Florida, Santa Rosa County, Florida, Okaloosa County, Florida, Baldwin County, Alabama, Mobile County, Alabama. I repeat, by any means
Wait, I'm out. Yes, Asa found a way out. Asa? Hello? How long have I been asleep? This place is entirely abandoned. I had a dream about an emergency broadcast, but that couldn't have been real. Nothing has felt real since we started investigating that thing. Why did it have to take Jamie? I don't even know. What am I doing here? How did it get so overgrown? I remember this. How long has it been since... Hello? Asa, is that you? Maybe he's calling for help.
Find a vocal or a song or dance that gets you in character. Otherwise, we're gonna call up understudy. No more missing rehearsals, alright? Where was I? Right. Storm 2, page 150. Will and Anna are having a drink at the mall.
Asa? Is that you?
Actor identified. Classifying body type and vocal range.
What?
Calculated. 1,200 roles identified. Please step onto the stage and proceed with your audition.
What? Who are you?
I'm awfully sorry. I haven't introduced myself. I'm the director, and you are the actor. We haven't had an actor in such a long time. At least no good ones. So many cuts, but you always have to weed out the worst to get the best. Now, will you be an actor, or will you be cut from the show?
I guess I will be an actor.
Fabulous! Now, please, get on stage for your audition. And thank you for choosing a 45 to 90 second contemporary monologue.
Right. Got it.
Oh, excuse the busy stage. We are putting on a sold-out show tonight. Everyone's hard at work.
Okay. Contemporary monologue. To be or not to
Error
be...
005. Monologue is not contemporary.
Contemporary means 1900s or later. Strike one.
Wait, strike one? You said nothing about strikes.
It's all right. Take as much time as you need.
T minus 3 minutes left.
Okay. I know. When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the...
Error 121. Monologue is not from a play.
That's from a video game, not a contemporary play. Please, think it through. I don't want to lose another actor. Strike two.
T minus 2.5 minutes left.
Of course. I'll do it right. My name is Jack, and I'm going to do a monologue from the play. Goodbye.
Error 099. Monologue is an escape attempt.
That's strike three. I'm sorry, Jack, but you didn't get the role. There's no reason for you to practice running.
Cut cast is attempting unsanctioned choreography.
You can't possibly hide from me. I am the theater. And I have a busy schedule, so please don't waste my time.
Current time wasted 122.1 seconds and counting.
Let me go.
Why are all of you actors so dramatic? My show is in
Negative 165.
months, and nobody's gotten on board. How about sound design, stage crew? I'm really tight on staff.
I think you've got a couple of technical issues yourself. When was the last time you had a self-diagnosis?
The director has no problems. In fact, my system says I'm...
Error 001. Hardware degradation.
See? You need to repair yourself and let me go. It's in your programming. Error 172?
Are you lying to me?
No. You just need to check the...
Brilliant! See, I knew you could act. Great job, bud. You lied straight to my optical node, and I almost believed it.
Deactivating security protocols.
So you'll let me go?
Sure. Just as long as you come to rehearsal next Tuesday.
Yeah, of course.
See, there's that actor spirit again. The audience will love you. Hear them cheering now.
Right.
Welcome, folks. Come in, come in. Tickets are $5. We are going to have a wonderful show tonight. Up on the stage is our fabulous cast. Please give them a warm round of applause. Please sit down and silence your cell phones and get ready for the best performance of your life.
It's been a very, very long time since I've been into that boiler room, hasn't it? All this time trying to find Jamie, but I have no clue where he is. There's only one thing I can do now. The only way out is in. Oh no.
You shouldn't have come here.